Okay, Riba. Let's start. How to read Urdu letter in DIY stencil. First of all, tell me which letter is this?
This.
Okay, let's start to write. Very nice. Beba.
Butter.
Okay. What comes after bे?
Pay.
ठीक है. डॉट्स लगाओ. ठीक है, शाबाश. पे के नुक्ते, 3 नुक्ते. Okay. What comes after पे?
Pay.
Very good. ठीक है. ते के नुक्ते लगाओ. ऊपर तेता.
Tita. Titli.
Okay. लिखो. What comes after ते?
Tay.
टेटा.
Topi.
What comes after te?
Say.
सेसा.
Summer. Hi, मेरी कमर.
से के ऊपर
3 नुक्ते. ते के.
से कहता है.
Sa.
Okay.
Ma.
These are the letters which are belonging into the be family. Be, pe, te, te, se. And what are these phonics? Ba, pa, ta, ta, sa. Very nice.